Maria Makiling Leila Christian Doko. Palakpakan naman po tayo dyan. Tulog na po ba lahat? Come here, guys.
Okay, cosplayers, pasok, pasok,
Yes,
pasok. O yun. Okay, ngayon ko lang again, I remember Jose Rizal, guys. Jose Rizal.
Jose Rizal. Lahat yan for sure kilala, di ba?
Dito tayo sa harap para mas makita kayo ng mga judges natin.
One.
Okay, everyone. Lahat po tayo, tara, dito po tayo lahat, dito tayo lahat. Isang linya, one line here, one line. Para mas makita po ng mga judges natin yung cosplay nyo. Come. Alright. O, ayan po. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Okay, so, based po sa mga nakikita ko, we have different forms of cosplay. Like for example, the Jose Rizal cosplayer over there, very focused on cloth-made cosplay. Jose Rizal, did you, ginawa niya ba lahat ng ano niya? Or may nakita ba siya sa UK? Alam niyo yung UK? So saan sinors yung ano ni Jose Rizal?
Yes, interviewin muna natin si Mr. Jose Rizal.
Oo.
What's your name?
Adrian Cordero.
And you portray
Jose Rizal po.
Jose Rizal. Lahat ba kilala si Jose Rizal? Okay, so start tayo sa next contestant.
Right, for our next contestant, tanungin naman natin kung saan gawa yung kanyang costume. Yes, okay.
Ayun, and what is your name and who are you cosplaying? Yun yung sasagutin natin sa questions natin.
Made of saan yung ating costume? Boss Match! Ay, wow! Alright, for our next contestant, saan po gawa ating costumes? Napakabongga naman ng costumes ni Mami. Papusan! Dahon! Wow! Sobrang Proud Senior! Ayan! And for our next contestant, saan po gawa yung ating costumes? And talaga namang sobrang ganda niya ng Philippines. Ay, tara. Alright, for next contestant, saan gawa yung ating costume? Sobrang, sino gumawa ng costume?
I made it by myself.
Wow! He made it for himself! Sobrang ganda!
I can see na talagang creative din siya sa materials na ginamit niya sa cosplay.
And for your costume, saan gawa to? Made of what? EVA foam. Oo, EVA foam. Magaling. Sobrang creative talaga ng ating mga contestant. Yes, Mr. Lee.
Bakit hindi natin sila pag-pose?
Yes, kailangan may
Para
pose.
naman ng magandang picture ng mga kababayan natin. Okay, ready?
Oh, palakpakan naman po tayo dyan!
Grabe, laban na laban lahat, oh. Turn to your right. Para sa mga judges. Ay,
Yung para makita ng judges natin yung side ng costume nyo. Yes, all parts. Kasi one thing about cosplay po mga kaibigan is, hindi po ito yung susuotin nyo lang yung costume. This is not just you wearing the costume.
talikod tayo.
Ayan.
Another right. At sa harap. Okay.
Silly, may cosplay ba? May cosplay ba, Silly?
Ako? Hindi ko alam.
Ikaw, Mr. Lee, sino
Hindi ko actually-
pinaportray mo?
Original character.
Alright, again, thank you so much to our contestants.
Alright, judges?
Okay
You
na,
good?
judges?
Okay, alright, our judges are happy. They're now going to tabulate their scores. So, once again, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga Filipino cosplayers! No, one thing about cosplay po mga kaibigan is you need to be resourceful and you need to stay in character din. Cosplayer number 1, Jose Rizal! Palakpakan naman natin si Jose Rizal! So once again, siya po ang best in historical character. Okay? Alright, coming up next, best in mythology. letter. Danaya! Danaya! Sana si Danaya. Yung dahon na senior. Skit! Pose!
Estafeto!
Oh! Ay, masaya. Congratulations once again. Wow. Special awards as well. Because once again, the beauty of cosplay is it's not just about the costume, it's not just about the performance, it's actually very holistic. So we also have our best in craftsmanship. Alright, and I love that we have very generous awards for these ones. Best in craftsmanship, let's call on our cosplayers, Darna
and
Zaito!
Ang pulis ng Kalawakan.
Mga Red Ranger. Naka-red silang dalawa. Come on!
Palakpakan naman po tayo dyan!
Wow, very nice, very nice. Nagustuhan ko yung fact na yung best in craftsmanship natin, one is talagang kung titingnan mo from here, ladies and gentlemen, kung titingnan mo yung cosplay ni Darna from very up close, grabe yung details. And yung Gansaido naman, ang grabe yung creativity sa materials. The audience favorite.
Wow! Importante yan.
Sa tingin niyo, sino? Sino? Anong apartment number?
Alright, so please welcome our audience favorite, Amiha!
Palakpakan naman natin dyan! Okay, and of course, wala pong uuwi na hindi masaya. So we would like to call on our other cosplayers. Please join us on stage. Once again, palakpakan natin ang ating Pinoy Cosplay Fiesta! All right, thank you. Thank you, judges. You did a wonderful job.